Kota, and today we're gonna make 3D pyramids, but first we're gonna play some game. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Small pyramid. Hold up. And then drop it again. Now you need 15 paper cups. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus equal 15. You can play with this in home if you get paper cups. Now we're gonna make 3D pyramid. You need 8 straws and it could be any color. Now you need 3 elastic strings. The elastic wire must be longer than 2 straws. Longer than 2 straws. The long elastic rubber band needs to be longer than 4 straws. Now you make an X, then you can see a ring and pull these two in the middle. And then whoosh, done. Like X, like this. Now you need to get 4 straws and put it inside. Like this. And 3 more. Like this. Done 2. 2 more to go. And then I put this in. Oops. Then put this in. Put this in. And then done. Like this. Now we need 4 straws and 1 long elastic string. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in and whee! Ah! Again, put it in. Put it in. And then put it on the table. Put it in, put it in, put it in. And then put it in again. Put it in. There you go. Ta-da! Like this. Now you need to tie the strings. Just like same done just now. And then if you're done, pull it. Now if you're done, you can see a square. But if this is too long, you just cut it. Now we made 2. One is a square and one is an X. Now you made the X and we have 4 corners here. So tie here. And then if you just tie one by one, here. Now we are done with the 3D pyramid. Now you can make a lot of shape. Triangle, and the diamond, and lastly 3D pyramid. Now I'm gonna call Naoto and give this to Naoto. Naoto! Can I show you something? Come here. Ta-da! You like this? There you go. This.
Triangle.
This.
Diamond.
This.
Triangle.
This.
Triangle.
This.
Diamond.
This.
Pyramid.
This.
Diamond.
Pyramid, diamond, triangle. If you like this video, click the good button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Pyramid, pyramid, pyramid day.